friends. Today we're going to talk about China's engineering marvels, machines, so powerful and advanced that they've stunned scientists across the world, including in the United States. Yes, there was a time when China was known mainly for producing cheap, low-quality goods, but today that same China is creating such massive innovations in engineering that even the superpower, America, is both surprised and concerned. Let's begin with a machine the world calls the Iron Monster. Its technical name is SLJ 930. Building bridges has always been one of the toughest engineering challenges, especially across deep valleys and high mountains. In the past, giant cranes were required. Massive structures were assembled from below, and connecting each beam could take months. Then China introduced this beast and changed everything. Thousands of people gathered just to watch it work. With 64 wheels, it looks almost like a giant mechanical insect. It moves on its own, carrying a concrete beam weighing up to 1,000 tons. Here's the incredible part. It balances itself on pre-built pillars. It stretches its hydraulic legs forward, locks itself in position mid-air, and then carefully places the bridge segment between two pillars with extreme precision. What used to take weeks with traditional cranes now takes just hours. It's like a moving factory. As it advances, a finished bridge appears behind it. Thanks to machines like this, China has built some of the tallest and longest bridges in mountainous regions. Next on our list is a machine that can literally create land in the ocean. Its name is Tiankun, often called the magical island maker. You've seen natural islands? But China decided not to wait for nature, it would build its own. This vessel is Asia's largest dredging ship. But it's not just a ship, it's like a floating giant. Its job is to dig up sand, soil, and rocks from the seabed and pump them kilometers away through massive pipelines. In just 1 hour, it can dredge enough material to fill 3 large swimming pools. Why has this machine caused concern in the West? Because China used it in the South China Sea. Small reefs and rocks in the middle of the ocean were transformed into full-sized artificial islands. Then came military bases and airstrips. The cutter head attached to this vessel is powerful enough to grind even the hardest seabed rocks into fine material. It's part of China's broader maritime strategy, expanding its influence across key ocean territories. Some Western engineers have even admitted that this level of dredging capability is unmatched globally. Number 3 on our list isn't a moving machine, but it may be the most powerful of them all. It's the world's largest radio telescope, FAST, also known as the Sky Eye. Located in a natural valley in Guizhou province, China installed the largest radio dish ever built. It's so massive that around 30 football fields could fit inside it. Its depth reaches nearly 500 meters. For decades, the world's largest telescope was Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico, but China surpassed it with FAST. And when Arecibo collapsed in 2020, China became home to the world's most powerful radio telescope. FAST is so sensitive that, theoretically, it could detect signals as weak as a mobile phone on the moon. Today, scientists worldwide rely on data from this telescope to study deep space, galaxies, pulsars, and possibly even signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. Its surface is made of thousands of adjustable panels that can slightly shift and bend to focus on different parts of the universe. A true masterpiece of engineering. At number 4, we have the world's most powerful crawler crane, XCMG XGC88000. The name might be complicated, but its job is simple: lift the impossible, while ordinary cranes lift cars or construct buildings. This monster can lift massive industrial structures like oil refinery towers. It's the largest crawler crane in the world, meaning it moves on tank-like tracks instead of wheels. Its lifting capacity? 4,000 tons. To put that into perspective, it can lift more than 60 heavy military tanks into the air at the same time. When China introduced this crane, many in the West were skeptical. But soon it was deployed in large petrochemical projects in places like Saudi Arabia. completing in days what used to take months. Equipped with advanced sensors and control systems, it can position massive loads with millimeter-level precision. Transporting it requires dozens of trucks. And when fully assembled, it towers into the sky like a mechanical skyscraper. Finally, at number 5, we have a machine that carves pathways through the heart of the earth, the tunnel boring machine, or TBM. One remarkable example built in China is GINGH. Digging tunnels meant explosives, manual labor, and huge risks. Today, these giant cylindrical machines handle the job. At the front, a rotating cutter head fitted with hardened steel teeth grinds through soil and rock. As it moves forward, it simultaneously installs reinforced concrete segments behind it, meaning the tunnel walls are completed instantly as the machine advances. China has used these TBMs to create massive underground metro systems and highway tunnels. Some are as tall as 5-story buildings and wide enough for multi-lane roads or double-decker trains. What's even more astonishing, China has used these machines to dig tunnels beneath the sea, a true engineering miracle. These machines are so precise and efficient that people living above often don't even feel vibrations while tunnels are being constructed. Below. From bridges in the sky to islands in the sea to eyes scanning the universe and machines carving through mountains, China has redefined what's possible in modern engineering. And whether the world admits it or not, these machines have changed the balance of technological power.